Saber trabajar en grupo es muy importante, tomar iniciativas propias, saber tomar sus propias decisiones y seguir para adelante.
Teamwork, so they have a problem in a certain domain, they don't only need to fix it, but they have to be able to communicate it to the team, to the other departments in the company.
You need some German skills. You need minimum B1.
Cooperar con la gente, teamwork.
You should be highly motivated and maybe proactive. In Denmark, we don't have this kind of bureaucratic hierarchy system. You get responsibility, and the manager will believe that you will actually manage your job. They don't ask you all the time or check all the time. So you should also be able to work in teams.